Hi Miss B, this is Starla. Sorry so late getting to your contest. Any rate, today is my beautified day. I'm looking kind of ugly right now, but I'm making my famous homemade everything but the kitchen sink conditioner. Come on, Channing. I want you guys to meet my baby. You guys hear me talk about her all the time. She's so cute. Look at her. Look how big. Come on, get in the camera. She's so. Look at all this hair. I've had to deal with this for 20-some years, and it's natural, guys. She has no perm on her hair. Isn't it gorgeous? So pretty. This is my precious Poopsie Whoopsie. That's Mama's baby. Yes, 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 yes. Any rate, back to the conditioner. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. I don't think I've got my coconut oil. I'm using coconut milk. I'm going to be using an avocado, some honey, some raw honey. I got some Brahjmi oil and some Shikaki oil, and I might put a little tea tree and peppermint. Not sure yet, but that is what I'm going to be doing right now to get it started. So I will be right back. I'm telling you guys, try this. Your hair is going to love it. And if you have mature locks that are, your hair is truly locked, or if it's interlocked, you probably could get away with using this as well. And I would suggest maybe only using it for maybe like once a month or something like that. Your hair was going to have so much moisture, you will not believe it. My hair loves this stuff. Let me get my mixer. Avocado. Okay, you know what? I'm going to transfer this into the Vitamix so that the avocado can get liquidy. I want it to liquefy, and this is not doing it for me, so hang on one second. You can pause the camera. Okay guys, we are back, and we are getting ready to put this luscious, wonderful moisturizing conditioner on our hair really quick. And we're going to be leaving this, after we apply it, all over here. You can put some, start putting it in your hair. We are going to put a plastic bag on, and this is going to stay on our hair for the remainder of the night, and tomorrow we will rinse it out and have a fabulous result. So we will be, actually we probably won't be back. We might come back and do a part 2 tomorrow. You guys be blessed, have a nice weekend, and see you soon. Bye.